So I really have a lot of reasons why I joined eXp, and to be more specific, not eXp alone, is the legacy group. So I remember I came from luxury brokerage, and it was good. It was a right brokerage, but the minute I stepped into this office, knowing that I interviewed another eXp offices before, the minute I stepped in here, I was with my friend and I told him, you know what, I'm just gonna sign up here. I got a good feeling, good energy. And I remember I met with the broker, his name is Gabriel. And I sat down and I said, Gabriel, why I should join your office? And he says, look at the name, it's called Legacy. We are building legacy here. And I remember the way how he said it, it just left something in me. The environment they have, I like the energy, I like the benefit eXp it really has to offer for the agents. To me, in addition to all the benefit eXp has to offer, just a few of them, you have a cap. You always not gonna pay more than $16,000 to eXp, regardless how much you sell. I remember my first brokers, I think the first year made, I don't know, I don't want to talk, but made maybe 3 or 4 times amount more than I paid for eXp. I was learning and I'm okay with that. And the other benefit we had here is actually the revenue share. So as we are expanding, you bring in more people to the company, you're gonna get revenue share from their performance and their sales. And the way how I look at it myself, when I tell people about eXp, the intention is not just I want to make money from you. The intention is eXp has so much to offer to the people, and I feel I'm doing all the people I love and the friends and the family and everybody in the real estate community, I'm doing them this service if I don't show them that, because I wish if somebody brought me in and tell me, look what you're missing, because it makes no sense to be somewhere else. And the big one for me, which I just joined less than 2 years ago, is actually the stocks. You are going to be a co-owner of the company the minute you join the eXp. I mean, it makes no sense really for me to ignore the fact I have a stocks portfolio that is growing, and there's so much options, so much benefit to eXp, how to actually strategize and have the right plan to keep growing. Okay, so I know people who really did change their grandchildren's life. And on the top of that, something really attracts me a lot. At one point, I will actually leave the company. I will try to retire. I want to relax at one point when I'm 70, 80, I don't know. Let's say I passed away. All the work I did and everything we built while I was at eXp, my ears were gonna reap the benefit from it. So that's why really I joined eXp.